Hi, welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's German rolls. We're going to be getting some mashed potato, some spring onions, some just grated tasty cheese, some freshly cracked pepper. Mix that all around with some fresh peas. You could use sauerkraut if you've got it, but I haven't got any at the moment. Okay, we're going to mix that with some tomato sauce, which is tomato and mustard mixed together. Cuts out the middleman. You've only got one bottle to worry about. And we're going to be cooking them in the Kmart sausage roll maker with some German sausages that have just been split down the middle. I actually did some bananas recently and they were really big bananas and they sort of burst out a little bit. Cut the sausages in half and you'll find that it'll get along a lot better in your sausage roll maker. That's all the prep you have to do. Okay, same thing. We peel our puff pastry sheet back to halfway. It seems to be the widest side, so we'll peel that side back to halfway. Invert it, line it up as best you can with the center and lay it over the top. So we're just going to push that in, okay, try and get it up the edges. Lay a sausage in the bottom. Oh, that's going to be a snug fit, isn't it? I'll have to cut the end off that, I think, just to be on the safe side. Yep, that's going to work a lot better. Ready, happy with that. Okay, now we scoop some of our filling over the top of that. Oh, actually, we'll give it a squirt of our sauce to start with. Scoop some of our filling along the top, and then we're going to fold this other half back over the top. So you don't actually have to cut this, and if you do cut it, you're going to probably find that it might leak a bit more easily. So this filling without the sausage would be nice on its own with the cheese and the spring onions in it. I've been known to have mashed potato and pea sandwiches. Okay, ready. Now, yep, that's pretty full. Fold the top back over, peel the plastic off, push it to the edges to make sure they seal. The scissor action will actually seal it in the center. Okay, and close the lid. Turn the machine on, power lights on. This light here will tell you when it's hot enough, and we'll give it about 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes later, and this is what you should have. I'm gonna fetch them out. They're nice and crisp. Fetch them out. Not too much mess there. Turn it off. Okay, these guys are pretty hot. We're just going to separate them. Let them sit for a little while to cool down because the filling is very, very, very hot. And we're going to serve these fellas with some tomato sauce and some seeded mustard. Great footy food. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's cut one in half and see what we've got inside, shall we? Using a serrated knife because it won't tear the pastry. And there you have it. You've got your sausage with the sauce in there. Mashed potatoes all sort of melded all around it. Doesn't that look appetizing? Thanks for watching. Okay, let's have a little taste, shall we? We'll grab a little bit of our seeded mustard and just pop that down in there. Let our tomato sauce dribble down in there too. Have a little bite. Very hot. Smells great. Nice flavour. And cooked all the way through. Thanks for watching.